Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your interface. So first, start the vehicle. Wait just a moment for everything to load. And then from here, we'll go to this gear settings. And then system. We'll scroll up or down as needed. But here we'll see master reset. So select that. I don't actually want to factory reset this particular vehicle, but here you would say yes. Sometimes you have to do it if your system's glitching, like sometimes your phone connections will act funny. So you might have to every so often, but this would be yes. And it takes, might take a minute or so to go through the whole reset screen. So here you hit yes, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.